Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find for duplicate files in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How find duplicate files from File Explorer. To start, open the File Explorer in the path to search. Here, go to the View menu. There, select the Details option. Then, in the Sort menu, click on Name. Now, select the duplicate files. Finally, click Delete. Chapter 2. How find duplicate files from Terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Terminal Admin. In the console, using the cd command, go to the path where the duplicate files are. Now, run the command del *-name.extension. Then, when you press Enter, enter the letter Y to apply this operation. Then confirm that the duplicate files have been deleted. Chapter 3. How find duplicate files from application. To start, go to the website that we left you in the video description to download the free utility. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now open the Downloads folder. There, select the file, click Extract All. Open the created folder, click on the application executable. There, in the Search module field, select the Duplicate Search option. Now, select the path where the search will be done. By clicking Start Search, you can see the results of duplicate files. If you wish, you can select the files. From the File menu, click Delete Selected Files. Confirm this process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.